I'm Joe from Aqualabs. Welcome to a series where we take a look at the key ingredients that make our products work so well.
Today's product is Shogun Samurai Coco. The first ingredient is Shogun Smart Zin Yield Maximizer, a blend of unique compounds, carbs, and elements that have astounding effects on growth in your crops. Shogun Samurai Coco's magic ingredient is Aquazen Slow Water. The incredible wetting ability of Aquazen is plain to see. Absorption is key for the maximum saturation of your cocoa media. Aquazen Slow Water is a media surfactant, meaning it lowers the surface tension between the water and specific substrates. What does this mean for your plants? Lateral distribution of your nutrient solution in the media, and the prevention of false strain means your roots flourish and there are no more dry spots in the media. Last but not least, Shogun Samurai Coco has elevated levels of calcium, a crucial addition given the nature of cocoa substrates, and reduced levels of potassium as cocoa substrates naturally already have high levels of salt. No matter what the growing schedule, all you need is these two bottles to take you through grow and bloom.